Hi, this is problem A, LRC and VIP. So the problem statement is you are given an array A of size n. The elements are A1 up to AN. And the task is you need to divide and the n elements into two sequences B and C such that each element belongs to exactly one sequence. You can't put an element in both sequences. And other is both sequences should have B and C. None of the sequences B and C should be empty. And the third condition is GCD of all the elements in sequence B should not be equals to the GCD of all elements in sequence C. Okay. So both sequences, GCD of both sequence elements of both sequences should not be equal. Okay. So let's discuss how we can do this. So let's say we have the array A and we have elements A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Okay. So we have to separate we have to uh, make two sequences. Let's say this is B and this is C, and we have to put one each element in one of the sequences. Let's say in B I have A1, A3, okay, and in C I have A2, A4, and A5. So the condition is GCD of these all elements in B should not be equals to the GCD of all of these elements in C. Okay. And other is B should not be empty or C should not be empty. Okay. And also yeah, and each element should belong in exactly one of the sequences. So okay, now if you know the property of GCD, let's say I have to find GCD of A and B. Okay. And if I know that A is greater than B, then also GCD of A and B should be less than the max of should be less than equals to the max of A and B. Okay. So what if let's say I have in this array, let's say I have the numbers 2, 9, 11, 15 and 15. So if I say that I know that GCD of all of these elements can't be greater than 15, right? 15. So what if I say that I put the max elements in one sequence and all of those elements in other sequence? Okay, 15 and 15. So I know that GCD of the sequence elements in sequence B will be equals to the max element, right? Because all of those max elements and the max element should be like the single one, right? If there are multiple occurrences of the max element, then I'll put that in B. Okay. Otherwise, it will contain only single element if there is only one max element, and C rest of the elements will be in C. So the GCD will never be equal of these two. Okay. So you just have to do that. You are given an array A1, A2, A3, and AN. So you can sort it in increasing or decreasing order and put the max elements. Let's say you sorted this. Okay. This is sorted order, and you put the max elements. Let's say these three are max elements and all of them are equal. So just put these three elements in B and put all of those elements in C. Okay. So if I show you the code, so this is the given array. I just created a temporary array and I sorted it. And I said, okay, after sorting it, if the first and last elements are equal, let's say I have this array 3 3 3 3 3. So in this scenario, I can't divide in two sequences. Like if I put 3 here and 3 3 3 3 here, so GCD will be 3 and 3, which is equal, right? So I can't do this in this case. So that's why I printed out no. And then in else case, what I can do is I will just pick the max element, and if it is max, so one requirement is so the output format is if it is in B, then I have to print A1, and if it is in sequence C, then I have to print uh, 2. Okay. So if it is equals to the max element, then I will print 1, and if it is equals to the if it is in sequence B, and then I will print 2. Sequence C, then I will print 2. Okay. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.